Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Instagram Insights for growth in 2025. Now, if you are posting consistently but not seeing the results, it is the time for you to look at your analytics. So Instagram Insights shows exactly what is working or what is not. So let's go through how you can use it the right way. First of all, you need to open your Instagram application. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then tap on these three lines here on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here in the for professionals section, the first option would be of insights. So this is the section which is available only for the professional or the creator accounts. So if you are using a personal account, you will have to switch to any of these. Only then you will be able to get access to this particular feature. Now once you are inside the insights section, you are going to see the overview tab where you can basically take a look at your account reach, the engaged audience and the followers gained. You can look for the trends here, like if reach is going up, your content is definitely performing well, but if it is dropping, you may need to post at better times or you need to tweak your visuals. You can also tap on the option of content that you have shared, and here in this particular tab you are going to see the details about the posts, the reels and the stories that you have shared. You can also check here which particular reel is going viral, which is giving you basically the reach and the engagement, and which posts had saves and the shares. That's what your audience values the most. You can also focus on repeating what performs well here, both in the form of topic and in the form of style. You can also just take a look at the option of audience here. So once you tap on the option of audience, you will find your top countries, the cities, the age group and the gender split and most active time. You can use this data to post when your followers are online, usually between 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. local time. It works the best. Also, you can tailor your captions or offers a match where most of your audience lives. So this way you will be able to get most out of the Instagram insights for the growth of your Instagram account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.